Are you ready to unlock your full potential in today's rapidly evolving professional landscape? This video is for professionals and aspiring leaders who want to stay ahead of the curve. By learning to use AI smartly, you can become more efficient, effective, and creative, propelling you into the top talent category. AI can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data faster than ever, and streamline your workflows. Imagine the time you'll save, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. With AI's insights, you can make data-driven decisions, predict trends, and optimize your strategies for better outcomes. Achieve results you never thought possible. AI isn't just about logic, it can be your creative partner. From generating ideas to designing compelling content, AI can amplify your innovative thinking and help you stand out. By embracing AI and mastering its smart applications, you will soon find yourself in the top talent category, recognized for your cutting-edge skills and forward-thinking approach. So what are you waiting for? Embrace AI. Don't just adapt. Thrive. Your smarter, more effective, and creative self awaits. #RupeshDilSe. #corporate life. #life lessons. #life experience.